Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com. We're talking about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Welcome to today's video update, where I update a cryptocurrency portfolio that I've been developing over the last year or so. Didn't start actually documenting it and recording the documentation until February this year. So, but every day that's what I do, update it, and I decided to start recording it for case analysis and case study purposes and analysis purposes and so on. Make sure you stay to the end of this video, because after the update I always talk about something of importance, so make sure you stay to the end. So before I continue, it's always important for me to do the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor or financial planner, so this is not a financial advice video. Please make sure you always do your due diligence before you make any financial decisions, and also understand that in terms of investing, never invest more money than you can afford to lose, because there's always risks associated with investing. So with that, I'm going to share my screen and start with the update. This is a spreadsheet that I update. 3 columns: altcoin, Bitcoin, and totals column. Red and green is green and red is green is when it's moved forward on the previous day, but it's red is when it's moved backwards on the previous day. So yesterday was a red day, as you can see. That's today's the 28th, and let's get the figures. So the figures come from this page. It comes in from a live feed into an asset group, and I get the figures here. This particular portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin with a selection of specially researched, specially selected alternative coins apart from Bitcoin. And this is the totals. So left hand side is US dollars, right hand side is British pounds or pound sterling. This is the percentage split. So you can see the majority of my money, I put it into altcoins. So basically what we have here is 184,393.28. So let's see if I can remember that. 184,393.28. Is that correct? Yeah. And that is up on yesterday. So that can be turned green. 6,460 up on yesterday. And the total column, 245,850, 245,850.41. So we got that correct. 850, that's correct. So that is 8,000. That's a green as well. So that's going to be 8,655 total portfolio. Excuse the sun, I just have to let it green out. So on the screen. So Bitcoin is up 2,000 on yesterday, so 2,195. So all around is a green day, which is great. So Bitcoin had a dip, bounced back, and it's at 61,457 today at the moment, roughly. In fact, let's just take a closer look at Bitcoin. As I said, it's continued to, I drew a trend line which it was using as resistance and then support, now maybe resistance again. We shall see in the next few days. So we shall see whether it should continue on this level. But I believe as we get into November, we should see a different direction. Unfortunately. So, okay, what do we have here? So we shall watch and observe. As we said, it got out of the Gaussian channel, which was amazing, an amazing feat. And we shall have to watch. Now, this particular candle here could be a danger because this is called a graveyard's doji, this particular candle. And sometimes it can spell the beginning of a trend reversal, sometimes. But because Bitcoin is on really very much on a bull run, it may not take effect. We have to watch this candle as it is really kind of, we'll see this candle over the next 4 days and 9 hours, how this candle forms. Hopefully, if this candle can stay above the red line, it should be able to then move back into the up towards the green and beyond. But we shall watch and observe. Again, talking about the moving averages, seem to be fine. It's way above the moving average, the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average after the golden cross. So it's still on an uptrend. If this fell below the 50 and then towards below the 200-day moving average, then it would be in a bear market. But at the moment, it's still in a bull market. This indicator is still showing that the uptrend was declining as these are getting closer and closer together, and the strength of the uptrend has also declined. So we shall see whether these meet or whether they go apart again. But as these are getting closer to go together, this signifies a downtrend. The trend is ending downwards. Doesn't necessarily mean we're going to enter, unless they cross like this, and then we get the red on top and green on the bottom. Then we'll be in, if we get something like, if it crosses something like, looks like this. See, the red is on top, green on the bottom. Then we know we are now in another downtrend. But they haven't come together yet, and they may not come together. But they're heading that way. But we shall watch. Very important is to watch. Yesterday I was talking about the trend yesterday. Keep this still. How what's happening at the moment is very similar. I don't know why I moved it. I should have moved it. Very similar to what happened in April 2013, May 2013, June 2013, July 2013, August 2013, September 2013, and October. So we need to watch this month of October, because here we are, very similar, and this October is very similar to the October. Then, if this can stay green, this October has 3 days and 9 hours before it closes this candle. If it can stay elongated and green, what happened next was quite amazing in 2013. See what happened to Bitcoin price? It just shot up in November. So is that going to happen now? It's possible. So in other words, next month could be a really crazy high month for Bitcoin, and then after that the altcoins will follow. So we shall wait and see what happens. Is it going to shoot up, or I don't know. We have to see. But so far it has followed a very similar pattern to 2013. So nothing in crypto is certain. The only thing that is certain in crypto is that nothing is certain, but there's a probability, and I must say a high probability, that we could reach new highs in the Bitcoin next month, which means that other altcoins will also, like I said, follow. So, and it's very interesting, when you look at that, but when it shot up, December, things started coming down. So let's just shorten this a little bit. This is what I'm trying to say. So this is October here, and that is what happened in November. And that's what happened in December 2013. Okay, so this has been very similar, not identical, but very similar from April to October, been very similar, especially October, to what we have now. Okay, been very similar. So we shall watch and observe what to expect in November. But position yourself, don't take undue risks, but be prepared. Okay. If that doesn't happen this way, it will happen south. But either way, there should be a big move coming up next month. But it looks like you should be to the upside. There's more indicators pointing towards it being on the to the upside. So look out for November. Okay, but we shall keep you informed and monitor it as we go through November. We're now a couple of days away, just a few days away from the end of October. And so November's right around the corner. So let's wait and see. And so with that, if you haven't been to our website yet, go to IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. Download this short training here. Fill in the short form. Put in the short form and download the training, and then we'll send it to you straight away. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video, this channel. Hit the notification button. And I want to thank you very much for your time. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye. Exciting times. Bye.